I hope you're all having a nice start of the week. Today, I want to talk about the crypto market, about Bitcoin, Ethereum, a few alts, where I think the price might move, and also my the trades that I will be doing this week, the investments, my buy orders. I'm going to tell you guys exactly where I'm going to put some buy orders. And so yeah, let's start. And we're going to start with the weekly chart for Bitcoin. All right. And if you guys saw my previous video, you might remember that I said that in order to stay bullish for Bitcoin and the crypto market in general, we needed to close on the weekly chart above the 20 days exponential moving average, which is this white line right here. And unfortunately, that didn't happen. We closed below it, as you can see here. This was the closure, so it was a little bit below it. All right, that's a little bit of, that's a bearish sign. All right, and now we're going. I mean, today started pretty bullish. We are since the open of the candle, we are seeing an upwards movement, and now we have crossed above the 20-day exponential moving average, which is good. What worries me is that we closed below it, so that means that we have to be very cautious. All right, and on the daily chart, we are still below all of the three moving averages. All right. Another thing that I want to mention is on the daily chart. As you probably saw on my previous videos as well, and Jack mentioned also on his videos, we had this golden cross right here, the cross between the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. Now we are on the daily chart, all right? We had it here, and immediately after that, we had the dump, all right? The price went below all of the important moving averages, and now we're having a death cross over here. The 20-day exponential moving average has gone below the 50 and the 200 one. So this is not a good sign as well. We got to be very cautious, all right, with the markets, with Bitcoin and the other altcoins. So now what I'm going to talk about is where I'm going to trade and buy Bitcoin, all right? Because of course, if the price falls, all right, that means that the Bitcoin is cheaper, and that means that ideally we want to buy more, all right? And my buying strategy is basically dollar cost averaging, but it's a different type of dollar cost averaging, which is called value averaging, and that means that the more that the price goes down, the more I want to buy. All right, so as you can see, these blue lines mark the previous levels where I bought Bitcoin. All right, and with the crypto market, as much as technical or fundamental analysis, no one really knows if the price is going to go up or down. All right, so your strategy needs to end up being profitable in the long term, whether the price goes up or down in the short or medium term. All right. So right now I have my next buy orders for Bitcoin are, the first one is right over here. So I have a limit order here at around $40,100, which is the previous level where the price bounced. So now it's a level of support. So this is I have a buy order over here, and the next buy order that I have is right here at around between 35k and 36k. All right, and the reason for that is initially I had it at around 38k. All right, but then I figured, the distance between these two orders, if I have it at 38k, between 40k and 38k, there's not much difference. So then the next one, I'll have it over here. And then if I see that the price keeps going down, I'll put more at around 30k, all right? Which doesn't mean that I think that the price will go down all the way to 30k, all right? I just have my buy orders over here, and if the price keeps going up from here, then all the better, all right? Because I have Bitcoin already. Let's now go and take a look at Ethereum. And on the weekly chart, Ethereum actually managed to close above the 20 days exponential moving average, which is a good sign. It's a bullish sign. We see we had wicked below it, but now we managed to close above. All right, so Ethereum is still looking bullish, all right? And we have a little bit as well over here, a little bit of cup and handle formation on the weekly chart. This might be bullish as well, all right? Cup and handle is a bullish formation, and this might take the price over the medium term to close to 5k, all right, for Ethereum. Now, my buy orders for Ethereum, the first one I have it over here at the 200-day moving average on the daily chart at around $2,635. And then if we continue going down from there, then my next one will be here at this level of support at around 1,700, close to there. That will be my next order for Ethereum, and I might put one here in the middle between these two, and that might be right here, the 50-day moving average on the weekly chart. All right, that will be my next order for Ethereum. For Cardano, my next order will be here at the 200-day moving average at around 1.653. That will be my next buy order. If you want, you can put one here as well. Over here at this level of, there's a strong level of support. If we see right here at around 1.9, all right? This could be a good buy as well. We could enter right here. We can see this was a level of resistance as well in the past. So we could have one order at 1.9 and the other one at 1.653 for Cardano. Let's take a look at Solana that many of you might be interested in. Solana was pumping really hard, then it had a correction right here. I would like to see Solana to cross and close above the 20-day exponential moving average right here, which would be at around $143. All right, it might get rejected though, be aware of that. You could put one order here at around $114 and the other one at around $82 would be a nice order for Solana. All right, so that's it for today's analysis, guys. Be very conservative when trading in these times because the trend is showing bearish signs. Of course, on the long term, I am bullish on Bitcoin, on the crypto market in general, but we might have a little bit of a correction, right? But you know, the strategy, as I always say, has to be adjusted for either an upwards or downwards movement. We have to be prepared to for either scenario, all right? So don't over risk, play smart, put limit buy orders, right? And accumulate Bitcoin and other good cryptos at a discount price. All right, take care, guys. If you want me to analyze more alts for the next video, let me know, and see you soon.